First, I will eliminate fraction. So we have integral of, we will have 1 plus x squared to power negative 1 times x with respect to x. Next, let's put 1 plus x squared equals u. So u is equal 1 plus x squared. Next, we will find derivative with respect to x. So it will be du to dx is equal, derivative of 1 is 0, derivative of x squared is 2x. Next, because we substitute 1 plus x squared u, now we have to find how much equals x times dx. So first, because we have fraction here and in denominator we have dx, I will multiply both sides of our equation by dx. So it will be dx and dx we can reduce, and we have du is equal to x dx. Because we have only here x dx, so I will divide both sides by 2 now. So we can reduce 2 and 2, and we have 1/2 du is equal x times dx. Now we come back to our integral. This is equal, let me write this on the right side. We have integral of u to negative 1 power times 1/2 du. This is equal. We can take constant before integral. So we have 1/2 integral, and we have u to negative power. So this is 1 over u with respect to u. We know that integral of 1 over u with respect to u is equal natural logarithm of absolute value of u plus constant. When we have indefinite integral, we have to always add constant. So our integral will be equal, we have to copy 1/2, and we have natural logarithm of absolute value of u plus c. Now we have to come back to our substitution. We know that u is equal 1 plus x squared. So this is equal 1/2 times natural logarithm of 1 plus x squared, absolute value of course, plus c. This is my solution.